All right, here we go again. Replace another one of these. Well, the first step, what I'm working on now, which is sponge out the remaining water from the tank. Okay, so next, I had to twist this up to the height in this toilet. See, it can't be so tall that it can't close the lid. So I've done that. Now, I have to tape off the bottom here. Go under and under there. I have to undo that. All right, so I got the old piece out, which is the black one. It's called a fill valve. Here's the new fill valve. Down here, the water didn't shut all the way off, but it doesn't really matter because I'm going to hook it right back up anyway. I have a towel down there to catch it. A ruined towel, always use something that's ruined, not any use in the future. Again, a full fill valve. Now for some reason, I'm always doing this kind of work dressed in a bathing suit. Why? Who knows? But it's just how I've been working. So here I go. In this case, these wires here, or not wires, this plastic piece that holds the fill valve in place under the toilet before you attach the water line, the supply line for water, these are really too wide. So what I'm doing is I already cut one off. I'm cutting the other one off. All right, so I cut that off. So that way it's much easier and I don't have to fight so much with the corners. Okay, so what I have to do now that that's in, is just turn the water back on, which I've already started to do. But I'm checking for leaks to make sure nothing's leaking. And so far, it's dry. So I'm going to open the water a little bit more. I'm still going to check for leaks, make sure nothing's leaking down there where I made the new connection. Any water? Nope, all dry. Let it fill faster. Now, this is supposed to stop about ½ inch down from this pipe. Let's see where it stops. Okay, that is done. Had to make an adjustment so that the next time it's going to fill even a little lower than that. But it's done. Great. If you ever hear your toilet running, that's something you should take care of immediately because it will run your water bill up quite a bit. I've seen water bills go as high as $1,000 because of a fill valve. So that's it. Sandra be plumbing. Sandra be doing everything. Maybe Sandra be swimming.